how to say it. आम्ही part of RG. I think 50 ते तुका सांगता Peter आणि जे बाकीचे आसा पळय. They said we want you to be the candidate for the forthcoming election. आणि कोणाचे जो RG chancellor okay. ते मातसो टाइम घेतलो कितें जालें बरोबर. Coming to your point. हांवें जेन्ना मनोजा कडेन विचारलें पोगो बिला बद्दल. हें आतां न्ही आय थिंक लास्ट जानेवारी कितें तरी. हांवें विचारलें ताका पोगो बिल म्हणलें म्हाका दाखय. मी बीइंग अ लॉयर आय कॅन गिव माय इनपुट्स. बाबा पळय कित्याक हांव जेन्ना पळय लोकां कडेन वता पोगो बिल घेवन तेन्ना आमकां एक पॅम्फलेट दिल्लें आसा अशें हांवें जशें केलां पळय तो म्हाजें अशें एक पॅम्फलेट दिल्लें तेजेर कितें तरी पॉयंट्स बरयले. दॅट इज नॉट द बिल. द बिल इज एक्चुअली द लीगल बिल जें पळय ड्राफ्ट केल्लें आसा पळय प्रोविजन्स क्लॉजीस सब क्लॉजीस ते म्हणलें ती म्हाका कितें ते जेन्ना पळय मागलें आजून पसून मनोजान म्हाका तें बिल दिवंक ना. कितें आजून पसून त्या मनोजान म्हाका बिल दिवंक ना. तर हांवें तेजेर बिल कित्याक मागिल्लें म्हाका जेन्ना पळय me being a lawyer when I am assured that this bill is good then I can speak to the people with that much confidence. ते बिल दिवंकूच ना. आनी अशें जालें की स्लोली बट स्टेडीली तो इग्नोर करीत चल्लो. आमची टीम तेणे डिवायड केली. I can say this and let Manoj come and explain whether it is what he has to say on this. मनोजान ताळगांवची टीम डिवायड केली आमची. मनोजान ताळगांवची टीम डिवायड केली. दोन हे केले आनी आमी जी मेजॉरिटी आसा आज म्हजे कडेन ताळगांवचो लोक जो आसा पळय आरचे आशिल्लो सगळे म्हजे बरोबर आसा. डिवायड केली आनी सा भुरग्यां बरोबर एक ल्हानशी टीम घेतली आनी तो बसल्यान सगळें कम्युनिकेशन तेजे कडेन करता. म्हणजे तेन्नाच आमकां तेन्नाच कळिल्लें फिशी आसा म्हण कितें तरी आनी मागीर पळयलें पळय जाल्यार टिकेट आसा पळय तेणें दुसऱ्याक दिली. नोबडी वॉज सेइंग दॅट आय शूड गेट द टिकेट ऑर नॉट. दॅट्स नॉट द पॉयंट. पॉयंट इज नॉट दॅट. द पॉयंट इज Manoj as a person has did more damage to the RG organization. That time it was not a party. As party registered म्हणून जाले म्हणून सांगला तेणे कितें आजूच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतला. But by the way, RG got registered on 30th November. I don't know why he took 3 months, 1 full month to make the decision. Okay, what prompted him to keep this hidden? That's why I एकदा बरयलें ताका you are fooling the people. कितें because he has lot of explanation to give to the people of Goa, especially Talegaon. So they division केलें तेणें आनी मागीर आमकां सायडीक उडयलें. आमकां सारकें सायडीक उडयलें. आमी ताका कितलें सांगलें बाबा यो भितर बस डिविजन साठी हें कर कट what you call that mitigate कर लागीं हाड करूंक ना तेणें कितें. and so therefore we are standing where we are right now. I am contesting as independent. So tomorrow it should not be that हांव RG नाशिल्लो तरी पूण हांव अशें करता ना. It is not that. So my stand is clear. All RG, almost everybody who is a supporter of RG from Talegaon, okay, and more importantly, RG from across Talegaon are supporting me. Not just from Talegaon, RG from across Talegaon, from various constituencies, they are supporting me because they feel तांकां दिसता म्हज्या असलो मनीस खंय तरी RG आसपाक जाय आशिल्लो. पूण again Manoj has to do the talk. Why he did what he did today, okay, it is for him to explain. I will not go beyond that.
To me RG is misguiding the people.
RG is absolutely misguiding the people.
तुम्ही RG जेन्ना थर्ड लिस्ट ऑफ कॅन्डिडेट काढले तेन्ना तालिगांवचो कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केलो. तुमकां टिकेट RG दिवंक ना म्हणून तुम्ही बाहेर सरून इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केला.
No, हांव भायर सरूंक ना.
अजून तुम्ही RG चे मेंबर आसा.
I don't know whether Manoj considers me to be part of RG. We are where we are. आमचे तेच ऑफिस हे ऑफिस घेतिल्लें कित्याक this was basically a political office, but it was to open at a particular time. Everybody know this that we were to open at a particular time, otherwise this would no branding would go on. So why? Because let everybody who would want to come without any political affiliation also they could come. It was to open at a particular time. Manoj decided. We have not decided anything. आम्ही डिसाइड काय करूंक ना. ते सगळे मनोजान डिसाइड केला. And by the way, तुवें विचारलें तशें म्हाका whether RG is misguiding. Absolutely misguiding. Let him come and explain that Pogo bill first. I am telling you that Pogo bill will not be able to pass that Pogo bill in the assembly. He is fooling the people of Goa. Not only that, he is fooling the people who are across the seas. तांकां सांगलां की तेणें हें कितलो म्हणून तो ड्युअल सिटीजनशिप. विचारलें म्हाका फुलिंग. He is giving dual citizenship खंय. Dual citizenship कशी घेवंक शकता तूं as a chief minister? Is it possible for anybody, any chief minister to give dual citizenship? All those who understand the law of the land, dual citizenship is under this, if at all, that concept is under the Indian Citizenship Act. In India, it is not there. There is OCR. OCR already center and dila kide diवपाक जाय ते. चीफ मिनिस्टर कॅनॉट प्रॉमिस इट टू पास इट इन द असेंब्ली. हे सगळे तो प्रॉमिस करता विच इज फुलिंग द पीपल. आणि आज खंय तरी लोक भायलो सुद्धा लोक आसा पळय न्ही तेका जुळून आसा बिकॉज दे फील दॅट दे विल गेट समथिंग. बट बिलीव मी दे विल नॉट गेट एनीथिंग बिकॉज दिस मॅन इज ओनली मेकिंग मनी फॉर हिमसेल्फ अँड फॉर दोज 7 people who are there with him. Beyond those 7 people there is no RG. बाकी या सगळ्या लोकांक he is misleading. And हांव अशें म्हणना की बिकॉज नाव he has not given me the ticket because हांवें विचार तांकां सांगिल्लें आय एम नॉट कॉन्टेस्टिंग म्हणून. Because I would want to contest if there is consensus. I would want to contest if people want me to contest. Why? Because what is the gain for me? Nothing. I have a good practice. So I don't aspire to be a rich man. I'm already having enough money to lead my life proper safely. I don't want anything more. So what do I gain? I don't gain anything. My gain would only be what I can see around. जे म्हाका दिसता पळय लोक कशे आसपाक जाय लोकांचो मिनिमम स्टँडर्ड इतलो आसपाक जाय ते करपाक म्हाका दॅट इज माय मोटिवेशन आनी कांय ना. सो वेदर ही गिव्ह मी ऑर गिव्ह मी नॉट आय एम डुईंग फॉर द 14 वर्सां करता हांव काम करना. कोणे म्हाका हें सांगिल्लें म्हाका तेच्या पयलीं 2 ऑफर आयिल्ले 12नी आयलो आनी 17नी आयलो फ्रॉम अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बस म्हणून. हांवें सांगिल्लें बसना म्हणून हांव बिकॉज that time I was studying, that time I was not, I said from where I am going to get my money? What is my bread and butter? What is my bread and butter? So today after practice I have made a sufficient practice, this good practice for me, and I'm pretty sure whether elections or no election, that means getting elected not elected, my life will not be affected. That is 100%.
Pulika, why take you so long time to get to know Manoj Parab is fooling the people right now?
See, Manoj Parabaच्या पयलीं म्हाका खूब पयलीं कळिल्लें कितें खूब पयलीं कळिल्लें कितें कळिल्लें की तो अशें करता म्हणून. केन्ना पळय आमी एक आमची एक मोहीम चलयल्ली देयर वॉज कितें म्हणटा तें आमचें सगळे म्हाज्या बरोबर आसले एवरीबडी वॉज पार्ट ऑफ इट ओके अँड वी प्रिव्हेंटेड इफ आय मे यूज द वर्ड but I means I does not mean I alone, it means the entire team, me and my team rather, and it was termed as team only. ताळगांवकारांचो एकवट against merger, TEAM, acronym was team. ते करून आमी प्रिव्हेंट केल्लें CCP वचपाचें. कितें वचपाचें ताळगांव ओके. तेन्ना सावन मनोज गेमी खेळटा आनी हें म्हाका जुनान कितें कळ्ळें तो गेमी खेळटा म्हणून. कित्याक तेका कळ्ळें की हांव मातसो कितें पॉप्युलर जाता सायडलायन केलो पोगो बील दिवपाक हें करपाक लागलो फाटी फुडें सरपाक लागलो एंड सो देफॉर हांवें आनी खंय म्हणटा हें तेणें लोकांक एक्सप्लेन करपाक जाय तेणें. बट वॉट आय कॅन से इज दॅट मनोज हॅज बीन प्लेइंग गेम्स नॉट जस्ट विथ मी. हांवें आतां गेल्लीं कितलीं वर्सां म्हयने न्ही 1-2-3 म्हयने आय बीन ट्रायंग टू गेट इन टच विथ पीपल ओरिजिनल पोगो जे आसा पळय न्ही जे सॉरी आरजी मेंबर्स आसा पळय तेंचे कडेन कॉन्टॅक्ट केला हांवें. थंय कितें कळ्ळां की मनोजान हांव नांव घेवन सांगता ऑर रादर तुकाराम भरत परब उर्फ मनोज परब. मनोज परब खंय ना. ही हॅज बीन फुलिंग द पीपल विथ दॅट नेम मनोज. ही डिड नॉट कम आउट विथ दॅट नेम इन द पब्लिक डोमेन. सगळे डॉक्युमेंट्स पळय इसी कडेन फायल केले ते पळय डिस्ट्रिक्ट रजिस्टर्ड फायल केले ते पळय इट इज मनोज दिस तुकाराम भरत परब. मनोज परब खंय ना. सो देयरफॉर Manoj has been playing games not just with me, not just with my team, but he has been playing games across Goa. आणि त्या काय थोड्या दिवसांनी कळटलें. आज तो मदींच कितें GSRPन गेलो आतां परत हितून आयला कित्यान आयला आमचे परत RGPन आयला कितें he has been fooling the people. I said it somewhere else that he is a child. तो खूब भुरगो आसा. तो व्हडल्या गाळी घालता स्टेजीर रावन म्हाका लायक ना त्यो कोणाक गाळी घालप कोणाक नांवां म्हणप अमके नांवां म्हणप ना. हांवें ताका पयलींच सांगिल्लें आय एम फॉर गोवन्स. आय एम नॉट अगेन्स्ट एनी आउटसायडर or any migrant, whatever name you call, not Goan, whatever name you call. I am not against anybody. Why? Because we are a part of the same country, we are part of the same nation, same constitution, same law is applicable to us. That cannot be the case. दूसरा है, but yes, I am for Goa. I believe जब manifesto मगे पुढे येतलो पळय तितून कळटलें तुमकां that I believe that there has to be carrying capacity now. We have to streamline number of people coming into Goa because too many people coming into Goa is not good for us. And I am not distinguishing or I am not trying to make a differentiation. What I am saying is, from a planning point of view, there has to be a certain number of people who should be allowed to stay in a particular place, especially a place like Goa, which is resource based, natural resource based. it is something where too much of human intervention is doing damage to Goa. They want to work. I would say some kind of what you call that carrying capacity. Yes.
मनोज परब तुमच्या मतान की हुशार जे कोणी ॲडव्होकेट जावं दोतोर जावं असे जे हुशार व्यक्ती आसात अनुभवी आसात तांकां सायडलायन करता आपले नेतृत्व फुडें व्हरपाक अशें दिसता तुका?
Well, Manoj vested interest, sir. I wouldn't say this about any political leader because it is not for me, to say who is who. It is for the people to judge. But because I have seen this man and I have seen him from close quarters, तो फोनाचेरच ना केन्ना मेळटले आता. तो मनीस एक स्वताची वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट घेवन आयला पॉलिटिक्सान. तो मनीस कितें तरी आपले स्वताचे करपाक आयला. तो लोकांची हितां घेवंक ना. कित्याक म्हणटा तें आयकात. आज तुम्ही फेसबुकाचेर सोशल मिडिया सपोज दाखयता थोडे भुरगे हांगाच आसा म्हज्या बरोबर तांकां ताणें हें केल्लें आसा कितें म्हणटा ब्लॉक न्ही ब्लॉक केल्लें आसा ब्लॉक केल्लें आसा कित्याक ब्लॉक केल्लें आसा मनोजाक एक प्रश्न विचारलो एका भायल्या भुरग्यान ही इज अ पोर्चुगीज सिटीजन बट OCI होल्डर ताणें प्रश्न विचारलो मनोज बाब तुवें ताळगांवान अशें केलां तें कित्याक लागून केलां मनोजाचो आन्सर कितें ब्लॉकिंग मनोजाक आनी कोणें विचारलें बाबा जे पयशे आसा पळय न्ही ते कलेक्ट केल्या न्ही तो हिशोब खंय आसा आन्सर कितें ताजो ब्लॉक मनोजाक आनी अंजुना पयलीं एकट्या भुरग्यान विचारलें बाबा तुवें आसा रॅलीक पयशे कलेक्ट करता तुजो हिशोब खंय आसा पुलीस अरेस्ट सो दीस इज मनोज फॉर यू आतां थोडे लोक कितें आसा थोड्या लोकांक ताणें सारको हें केला कितें केलां धुंदेन घातला कशें ट्रान्सान उडयल्या ते लोक अजुनूय मनोजाक फॉलो करता जशे तशे दीस वतले पयलीं मनोजाची खरी लायफ कितें आसा पळय ते लोकां फुड्यान आयलें लोकांक सगळ्यांक कळटलें मनोज कितें तो एंड वाय एम आय सेइंग दिस व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट बिकॉज आज हो मनीस जो डिवायसिव आसा पळय हो मनीस कितें करता हो मनीस गोंयकार आनी नॉन गोंयकार हेंच्या मदीं डिवायड करून फुडें चलता म्हाकाय गोंयकार जावपाची खूब अभिमान आसा एंड आय वॉन्ट गोवा फॉर गोवन्स पूण कशें नॉट द वे तुकाराम परब सेज और मनोज परब सेज I want it the way which is to be within the constitution, where I take everybody together and make sure that everybody develops, everybody improves, everybody's standard of living goes up more than what was yesterday. Okay, so this answers that Manoj is come with a very vested interest and he has nothing to do. आम्ही आनी खंय तरी सांगला की आज पासून मनोजान खंयचीच गोष्ट अशी सांगू ना की ती गोंयकारां खातीर बरी ती, including Pogo. I am willing to debate with him. In public, as I always say, because let it not be hidden behind. I don't want to be, my nature is that I have been straightforward in my life. I would want to debate with him as to, or he should tell the people of Goa now, or rather he should say, this is my Pogo bill, and please go through the bill and give me some feedback.
तुझ्या मतदारसंघात आता राहुल अर्जुन सारखे पॉवरफुल पयशांनी आणि जाल्यार हाऊ यू टॅकल
कितें जाला ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम कितें दिसता लोकांक की पयशे म्हणजे सगळें बट जेन्ना 20 वर्सां पळय आसा पळय देर इज अ रूल ऑफ हजबंड एंड वायफ रूल जाला पळय न्ही आज जावं फाल्यां तूं करून रूल आसा पळय न्ही तो इफ दॅट रूल हॅज टू एंड न्ही इट हॅज टू एंड विदाउट मनी इट कॅनॉट एंड विथ मनी and I am saying this with conviction and with responsibility because suppose if you say somebody else who is with money he will do the same thing what these people are doing tomorrow. If there is an end, because see, the problem is not they, Babush, now Jennifer is not the problem. It is they, the way they are conducting themselves through money power, through muscle power. Like आता एकूच example घ्या न्ही आज हांवें आनी 2 दीस पयलीं एक फेसबुकार हे घातिल्लें म्हणजे कितें आसा की सांगिल्लें की जेनिफरान आमचे म्हजे पोस्टर आनी म्हजे स्टँडीज आसा पळय पुट अप फॉर विशिंग द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव हे काडले हाचे भायर आशिल्ले म्हजे 2 स्टँडी ते काडून व्हेले हांगा भायर कोणाक लागताले ते म्हाका जे सगळे जाणांचे आसा प्रायम मिनिस्टराचे सुद्दां आसा थंय म्हजे कित्याक काडून व्हेले हे जेनिफरान व्हेले काडून सो हो जो मनी पॉवर आसा पळय न्ही आनी मसल पॉवर आसा पळय न्ही हो जर काबार करतलो कोण न्ही जाल्यार हांवूच करतलो विदाउट मनी because it can be killed only with money. Sorry, without money. Money cannot be destroyed with money. Then it's a vicious circle. So expect that हे फाटी लोक पैसे वाटले कितें घातले people आम्ही ऐकला की खूपशे कोटी कितें मोडटलो म्हणटा मोडून ताका it will have no effect. People have made up their mind what they want. As I said before, people want a man with integrity. People want an honest man. or honest person, and people want a person who's going to deliver. And more importantly, last 20 वर्षां कितें कळ्ळें, for people कांय डिलिव्हरी जावंक शकना. विचारता तेजे कोण बसून स्टडी करून पळय, there is no delivery. आतां सुद्दां कितें केलां पळय तेणी, एज ऑन डेट विथ दॅट वी आर टॉकिंग, सगळ्या कडेन लोकां कडेन वचून हें घेतल्या, कितें रेझ्युमे कशे घेतल्या, आमी तुमकां जॉब दितले. पंचायत 2009 पंचायतीन तशेंच केल्लें तेणें, सगळ्यांचे कडे हें घेवन घेतिल्लें, कितें आप जॉब दितलो म्हणून सगळे दिया बरोवन दी आपल्याक, खंय जॉब दिल्या, केवण्यान वचून पळय कोणाक जॉब दिवना. सो दिस इज हाव द मॅन इज फंक्शनिंग. प्रॉमिसिंग नो डिलिव्हरी, प्रॉमिसिंग नो डिलिव्हरी. थोड्या जाणांक कितें दिता आसतलें, गव्हर्मेंट जॉब कितें अशें उगना तो हो काडून दितलो एट इज लार्जस्ट म्हणून, तशें ना तें. Anyway,
What do you have to say about the Montserrat's contribution to Taligam's development?
Neil, let him come and say how much he has developed. I would say Neil, I'll tell you why. Development to me is development of the people. Development to me is like, I would take only one specific example. Iowa is for as a case study. Go and check what is the state of Iowa. Go and check what is the state of Iowa. That place is in shambles.
It's been bought over by somebody, isn't it? The whole village of Iowa.
Somebody is telling me he is behind it. The dealer is he is the dealer.
Manoj.
No,
Then?
Babush. He has to confirm it.
Yes.
He has to confirm it. Information that has reached my ears is that he is the dealer, and he is trying to do all that for what? Not for people of Iowa. They will be thrown somewhere else. Their livelihood, everything will be disturbed. Okay? So therefore, this is the man. This is the man for you. So therefore, whether here development would be what you are, जे as I would कोंकणी म्हणले जाल्यार जे मूळ लोक आसा हांगासले जे 20-30-40 वर्सां पयलीं येवन रावले हांगा पळय, हांगाच रावले, दीस दे मेड देसाय, तेंचे डेव्हलपमेंट खंय जाला? तेंचे डेव्हलपमेंट जावना. सी, यू आर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग अ बिल्डिंग इन द field. You are settling the landowner or the tenant, and then you buy over. What you do? You put up a building. How many people from Goa are there? Hardly few, around 20 to 30%.
But you cannot deny the fact that there's nobody to cultivate the fields.
No, that's not the fact. That is not the fact. See, I'll tell you one thing. There are two things that we need to remember: systemic and not according to the system. Okay. The problem with Talegaon is that there is no system in Talegaon. The problem with Talegaon is come 2002 and more specifically 2006 when the ODP was brought into force. ODP आयला पळय तेन्ना सायन how to destroy the fields. There was a systematic effort that was put in. And what was that? पयली ही बंद केली, क्रीक वाट लायली, क्रिकांतल्यान उदक चड दवरलें हांगा, खंय शेतांनी चड उदक दवरलें, लोक कशे रोयतले? लोकांक रोयता म्हणल्यार जानेवारी म्हणल्यार उदक वचना, that means water is not getting drained. So how do they cultivate? How do they cultivate? You cannot blame the people. No, there are farmers still. There are farmers who are saying like no field but he wants to cultivate. But there is, even if he has field today, there is udak ballamar shetancha. Sage udak balla shetancha. Who is going to now? Babush आमचो आसा the great Babush of this great place called Talegaon. कितें तो कितें म्हणटा आपूण एग्रीकल्चर प्रमोट करता. खंय करता? किचन गार्डन करून एग्रीकल्चर प्रमोट करता ते. त्यांचो सरपंच आशिल्लो पळय, ही इज प्रमोटिंग किचन गार्डन. ते किचन गार्डन म्हणजे टेरेसीर करून जाता, बट दॅट्स नॉट फार्मिंग.
Farming has changed in recent years.
No, for us, see, farming certainly it has changed over a period of time. Certainly, but for us, that farming, the farming that we are talking about is low-lying paddy field farming, farming which is a part of our ethos, farming which is part of our culture. That farming is not. You cannot substitute that with any other farming. Any other farming.
म्हणजे ओव्हरऑल तू सांगू शकता की आपलं बेनिफिट करून घेतला, आपलं डेव्हलपमेंट करून घेतला तू सांगू शकता.
मुंडक पळय म्हणटा तेजी फ्लॅटां कितली आसली, ताळगांव एक ऑडिट काढान पळय तेका सांग ऑडिट दिवन क्लीन बेनामी दोन प्रॉपर्टी ज्यो बेनामी प्रॉपर्टी आसा पळय तेज्यो पळय न्ही, आनी जो आतां कॅन्डिडेट कोण आसा पळय न्ही, कोण आसा पळय न्ही, आय विल नॉट वॉन्ट टू नेम, तेज्या नांवार कितल्यो तेजी प्रॉपर्टी आसा ती पळय, तेज्या नांवार तेज्यो कितल्यो प्रॉपर्टी आसा ती पळय. ज्यो बेनामी आसा त्यो सगळ्यो प्रॉपर्टी धर, हॉटेलां धर, बंगले धर, आनी पळय कितले आसा ते. ओवर सिन्स 2002 जितने अप्रिसिएशन त्याच्या असेट्सांनी जाला पळय न्ही, ते कोणाचेच जावना अजून Talegaon. Not in the recent past. So it is all personal development, not people's development. Certainly not people's development. लोकांचे डेव्हलपमेंट न्हीच ते.
थँक्यू.
या थँक्यू. आमी कितें केलां आतां फायच्यान आमी हें करता, कितें करता, प्लीज स्टँड न्ही, फायच्यान since the time that I have declared myself as a candidate, independent candidate, आम्ही घरोघरी वतले लोकांक आमचे कितें आसा पळय विचार आसा विजन आसा आमचो म्हज्या टिमीचो तो लोकां फुडें मांडटले and this pamphlet in sum and substance summarizes what my vision is for the people of Talegaon. कितें आतां हेच्या फुडें मॅनिफेस्टो येतलो त्या मॅनिफेस्टोन डिटेल्ड कितें आसा तें येतलें but this is it from tomorrow onwards 10:30 धांक आमी स्टार्ट करता and I wish myself that I am able to deliver to the aspirations of the people of Talegaon. So thank you. कितें तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान लोकांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमचें देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तुमी आयकून घेता. We have a great time during this election and after that also. Thank you.